$25.3 billion, $32.45 billion, or is it $42.45 billion? The other person who definitely knows this is the economist prime minister of India, Sriman Mohan Singh. Yeah. Now you have the challenge. 22.3, 25, 32 or 40. Nice try, but it is $22.3 billion. $22.3 billion. India's first dedicated meteorological satellite was Saral, Kalpana 1, INSAT or RISAT? Saral, Kalpana, INSAT or RISAT? You should have always gone for a girl's name. Kalpana was the answer. Name the state which operates nuclear power plants. Maharashtra, first option. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Or is it Maharashtra, New Delhi, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka? Or is it Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, UP, Tamil Nadu? Or the fourth option, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab. This is a sequence and a pattern. I have been given this question. I know it is extremely tough. Forgive me if you are asking. Which are the states which are having nuclear power plants? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka is an option. Or in the next option, you don't have, you have New Delhi too. Do you have it in New Delhi? The question is, do you have it in New Delhi? Or the second option, third option is Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The last being the South Indian states, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab.
Option A.
Good one, good one. Maharashtra, Gujarat. I seriously thought he'll mess up, didn't you? Yeah, but he got it right. As per civil, as per IS 456, M stands for bending monument, modulus, modular ratio or bending modulus. As per IS 456, M stands for bending monument, modulus, modular ratio or bending modulus. M.
Bending modulus.
Nice try, but it was modular ratio. Coming to you. For which automobile company did the lean production philosophy originate from? The lean production philosophy. Is it Ford, Volvo, Toyota or Honda? Lean production philosophy. Ford, Volvo, Toyota or Honda?
It's Toyota.
Toyota, good one, good one, good one. It was a famous one. Now this is an easy one for you. Again from Tamil Nadu. Total capacity of Kudamkulam power plant. 1000, 3000, 2000 or 5000 megawatts. 1000 or 3000 or 2000 or 5000. Huge controversy regarding Kudamkulam, right? 2000. Again, good answer, Vivekanandan. Good answer. Civil, as per IS 456. IS 456. K stands for coefficient, stiffness, temperature or stability. Coefficient, stiffness, temperature or stability.
Please.
K in IS 456 stands for coefficient, stiffness, temperature or stability.
It is temperature.
It was coefficient. I know they knew it. Now this is an easy one. Which car brand has overtaken BMW as the leading brand in India? I mean as the leading brand. Is it Audi, Mercedes, Volvo or Porsche? Audi. Easy option. Give him a big hand please. The government of Gujarat launched solar power policy. Solar power policy in 2000, 2009, 2002 or 2012?
2012.
2009 was the right answer. 2009 was the right answer. And as per IS 1893, for seismic zone 3, the zone factor Z, the zone factor Z is 0.14 or 0.16 or 0.24 or 0.28. 0.14, 0.16, 0.24 or 0.28.
0.24.
Well tried. 0.16 was the right answer. 0.16. Coming to you. One of the 3 ISRO liquid propulsion system centers is ISRO liquid propulsion system centers. Is it in Hassan, Chandipur, Mahendragiri or Sriharikota? Hassan, Chandipur, Mahendragiri or Sriharikota?
Chandipur.
Mahendragiri was the right answer. It's okay. On 19th September 2013, our PM dedicated which thermal power project to our nation? 19th September 2013. Is it Sipat, Anpara, Bakrishwar or Bakranangal? Sipat, Anpara, Bakrishwar or Bakranangal?
Option B.
Anpara, wrong answer. It was Sipat thermal power project, that too in Chhattisgarh. As per IS 1893, for seismic zone 5, zone factor Z is 0.36, 0.37, 0.38 or 0.39. There can be much difference, right? As per IS 1893, for seismic zone 5, the zone factor Z is 0.36, 0.37, 0.38 or 0.39.
0.37.
Well tried. Again, you're really close. It's 0.36. What is the name of Boeing aircraft equivalent to Airbus A380 in terms of infrastructure and efficiency? What is the name of Boeing aircraft equivalent to Airbus A380 in terms of infrastructure and efficiency? Is it 747-400, 747-8, 747 or 777? 747-400 or 747-8? 400? Missed by a whisker. 747-8 was the answer. Now this is one thing I am sure he will score. The development of wind power in India began at which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rajasthan or Andhra Pradesh? Began in South India. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, sorry, Rajasthan is also there. Rajasthan or Andhra Pradesh? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rajasthan or Andhra Pradesh?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu is the right answer. I'm sure he is happy about that answer. Yeah. Now the next question. As per IS 1893, DL stands for, what do you mean by DL? Is it dead load, response quantity due to dead load, resultant dead load or reciprocant quantity due to dead load?
Option A, dead load.
You are dead sure?
Yes.
Well tried for that confidence, especially he was mentioning about confidence. Even though he was going for wrong answer, he's confident, but it was the response quantity due to dead load. It's okay. Which launch vehicle is used by ISRO to launch INSAT type satellite? Now this is an easy answer. I'm sure you have to score. Which launch vehicle is used by ISRO to launch INSAT? Is it SLV, ASLV, PSLV or GSLV?
It's SLV.
Is it?
Yes.
It is? It is GSLV. You read it in paper umpteen number of times. It's GSLV. The capacity of Sipat thermal power plant, which we asked earlier, is it 2980 megawatts or 2970 megawatts or 2990 megawatt or 2960 megawatts? The capacity of Sipat thermal power plant, is it 2980, 2970, 2990 or 2960? Is it 70, 80, 60 or 90?
60.
What's the answer? Go ahead. It's 2980 megawatts. It's 2980 megawatts. They have all scored, but your energy level is low. Please give them a big round of applause. As the anchors were saying brilliantly, you need to have continuous energy. He was brilliantly mentioning, you need knowledge, but you need skill, attitude and energy for it. Right, sir? Yeah. I'm sure he's offended with me for asking this question again. As per IS 1893, he's listening for the umpteen number of time. And sorry, IS 1893. What does N stand for? N. Number of stories, model number, SPT value for soil or survey number. Number of stories, model number, SPT value for soil or survey number. That person knew the answer, but please keep your voice down. There are many occasions where you can prefer silence. Silence is golden. Yeah.
Substance, please, again.
Number of stories, model number, SPT value for soil or survey number.
Modulus number.
No, it was SPT value for soil. The fuel used in aircraft that use a reciprocating engine. The fuel used in aircraft that use reciprocating engine is jet fuel, ATF, F-gas or methanol. Jet fuel, ATF, F-gas or methanol.
Methanol. D option.
It was F-gas. Coming to you. This one, easy. The India's latest nuclear power plant under construction. Think about it. India's latest nuclear power plant under construction. Is it Kudankulam, Kalpakam Tarapur, Kengeri or Kharagpur? Kudankulam, Kalpakam, Kengeri or Kharagpur. It starts with K anyway. Seems like it has a Karan Johar obsession. Yeah.
Kharagpur.
Oh, come on. How could you miss it? Which one? Right now under construction. The place where Abdul Kalam went and checked. The place where there was huge controversy. Built in with Russian collaboration. Where fishermen are still fighting. Where PM opened his mouth for the first time blaming the Western agencies. It was Kudankulam. It was Kudankulam. It was Kudankulam. One big round of applause, please. You know for whom? For our PM Manmohan Singh, because he took a very bold stand at it. DMIC project passing through how many states? 7. DMIC project passing through how many states? 7, 13, 15 or 17? DMIC project passing through how many states? 7, 13, 15 or 17?
I guess it's 7.
You have a very good guessing power here and the answer is 7. Good one. 7, 7. The batch production system in manufacturing is based on. The batch production system in manufacturing is based on. Is it demand, history, forecast or any? Demand, history, forecasts or any?
Forecast. Forecast.
It's demand. It's demand. Another easy one for you. You can score. Dash power is the largest source of power in India. Dash power is the largest source of power in India. Is it thermal, nuclear, hydro or wind? Thermal, nuclear, hydro or wind? That question doesn't belong to rocket science. Can you also have this course?
Nuclear.
Thermal. We would never wish it to be nuclear. It was thermal. Coming to you. DMIC project involves the development of a 1,500 kilometer industrial belt. A 1,500 kilometer industrial belt between two cities. Delhi and Chennai or Delhi and Bombay or Delhi and Bangalore or Delhi and Cochin. It's between Delhi and one other city. 1,500 kilometers industrial belt. Is it Delhi to Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore or Cochin?
Delhi to Mumbai.
Good one. Delhi to Mumbai. Mumbai is the right answer, please. Mechanical, right? Which branch of fluid mechanics use numerical methods and algorithms to solve and analyze problems involving fluid flows using computers? Which branch of fluid mechanics use numerical methods and algorithms to solve and analyze problems involving fluid flows using computers? Is it hydraulics engineering? Is it CFD? Is it fluid mechanics or is it liquid graphics? Hydraulics engineering, CFD, fluid mechanics or liquid graphics? Can we have the scores please, Videsh? Scores? You have it, right? Yeah. Option, please. Hydraulics engineering, CFD, Fluid mechanics or liquid graphics? Hydraulics, CFD, fluid mechanics or liquid graphics?
Fluid graphics.
Well tried. It is? It's CFD. It's CFD. Many of you ought to have been here, right? Unfortunately, I hope to see you next time. Again, an easy question for you. Which is the first thermal power plant in India? First thermal power plant in India. Bokaro, Chandrapur, Gandhinagar or Tharma? Is it Bokaro, Chandrapur, Gandhinagar or Tharma? To you? Yeah. It is no. To electrical, right? It's to you. Sorry. Yeah.
Bokaro.
Bokaro is the right answer. Give me a good hand, please. I knew you know it. Estimated project cost of second Kerala transport project. Second Kerala state transport project is how many millions? 425, 435, 445 or 455? 425, 435, 445, 455. Second Kerala state transport projection.
435.
Again close, it is 445. 445. I'm sure you will seriously seek the person who has put these questions. Trust me, I'm not the person who has put these questions. It was a different person, I'm only asking it. They have made it extremely tough, but that's the standard of this quiz. Be proud about that. Mechanical, right? Production and finance are two of the flows of supply chain management. Production and finance are two of the flows of supply chain management. Production and finance. What is the third? Waste, resource, information or time. Production and finance are two of the flows of the supply chain management. What is the third? Is it waste, resource, information or time?
Time.
It was Sir Francis Bacon said this. Dash is power. What is power? Health club is power. Very good. Yeah. But at the time of Francis Bacon, there were hardly health clubs. It was knowledge is power. And here it is information. 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 Vivekanandan, coming to you. What is the name of India's first nuclear reactor? What is the name of India's first nuclear reactor? Apsara, Tarapur, Kaiga or Vaiga? Apsara, Tarapur, Kaiga or Vaiga?
Kaiga.
I think these boys are very decent. They don't, always look for the option of girl's name. And the answer is? I knew he knew it. Apsara. Apsara was the right answer. And let me have a rider for this. I've gone through these questions. Absolutely fabulous questions. They are of the highest standard. The kind of contest you do it in, say, CNN, IBN or Times Now, the kind which Derek O'Brien does. It was very tough, but they all tried their best. Please give a big round of applause to all our contestants. And especially to Vijesh, who gave me an energetic introduction to ma'am. And I would request Vijesh to come forward and announce the scores. Right? Yeah. Okay. Any questions? We have a tie for the second post. And we have a tie between? Ma'am, we have a tie between? Pritesh? No. Ritesh and Vivekananda. P. Pritesh and Vivekananda. Good. So question to you both. You belong to? Electrical. And you belong to? Civil. The word high speed one is popularly known for high speed railway in US or UK or USSR or Japan. That's a civil question, right? That's a civil question, right? The high speed one is popularly known for the high speed railway in which nation? In US, UK, USSR, Japan?
Japan.
We have a fascination with Buddhism and Japan, Nippon, but unfortunately it was the people who ruled us. It was UK. Now let's see whether Vivekanandan is going to score. Tough one. Who proved electricity could travel over wires? Who proved that electricity could travel over wires? I know he really discovered something very significant, we all know. Is it Galvani? Is it George Simon Ohm? Is it Alexander Volta? Or is it Joseph Henry?
Alexander Volta.
Unfortunately, for him it is the right answer. Good one, Vivekanandan. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Can we have scores, please?
So did everyone enjoy the event? You guys enjoyed? You're very apprehensive right now, aren't you? Excited to know the results? No? Well, I'm sure. Yeah. So I'm sure, I guess, after hearing the questions of the quiz, you all must have realized that engineering is not only about what we learn in college or in textbooks, I'm sure. Yeah? Though a lot of questions were from textbooks and 4th standard and 9th standard and physics and everything, yeah? It's also about knowing what's going around, about what we see in newspapers. Engineering is a way of thinking, a unified body of critical, analytical thinkers applying the knowledge, the diversity of the profession toward improving the quality of life for everyone, everywhere. This is to be done without a sense of feigned superiority or exclusivity, but instead with compassionate drive and with purpose. So I guess they're going to take some time to announce the winners, but I'll just like to say to everyone, I'm sure a lot of the people present here are, contestants and people who might take part in this same competition next year. I just want to say that the ultimate victory in competition is derived from the inner satisfaction of knowing that you have done your best. I'm sure you've tried your best, right? And you've gotten the most out of what you had to give. So remember, your efforts, maybe in engineering, could be in any industry, in any field, it will definitely pay off and it will reward you one fine day. So I guess we'll have to wait for a little longer. Lot of anticipation. Are you going to come soon? Yeah, a lot of discussions and a lot of brainstorming, I think, going on with just the results. So.
So, finally, that's over. From a lakh, we found the best one. Emerging Engineer, 2013. Who is that? You don't know. I'm sure I know. I'll announce it right now. Before that, one glad news is everybody here have a prize. And another one is everybody there, those who believe or those who think that, okay, I didn't do that, don't worry. We are also doing, what is that? We are also cleaved so many lives and came up for this position. Isn't it? Yeah. So you also deserve something. Definitely yes, we'll do. So no suspense. Where do you want to start? We want to start with nano or something from small? From small, why? From 6th position? Or from 1st position? 6th? Why? From 22nd, definitely you will not be on a 22nd. Let's come back. Now it's time for us to recognize the winners, right? As per your wish, we'll call the 6th winner. And he is none other than Giridhar Lal Verma. Where is Giridhar? Come on. Stand up. Come forward. I would like to invite Mr. Ashok Singh, who gave an excellent speech, to recognize him. Expert sir, please welcome to the stage. Ready? Round of applause. So along with that certification, he backs 10,000 rupees. Congratulations, Giridhar Lal Verma. On behalf of CAT Center Training Services Private Limited, we wish him a very bright career ahead. Next, the same 5th one is Ujjwal Kumar Singh. You know the results better than me. I would like to invite Mr. Salim Rashmiwala, our center head business partner of CST Ford Mumbai Center, to honor him with 10,000 rupees check. That's all. Louder! 10,000. Next, the third 10K. We give 3 10Ks. Okay, in that 3, who comes the third is Mr. Tejveer Singh. Hey, why are you crying? You look so dull. No, you're happy? Just with 10K. Hey, he made one thing today morning. I was asking him in the question. He was just sitting and sleeping. Come on, wake up. No, sir, I am thinking. I would like to hand over this mic to him. I think that he wanted to cry. Cry? No, sir, no, sir. No.
I'm happy.
You're happy. I want you to cry here. At least sleep. Fine. I would like to invite Mr. Naveen Raj, our business partner, to honor him with 10,000 rupees check again. Welcome, Mr. Naveen. Come on, now we have to honor him. Oh, that's over. Now the next slab is 20.